video, I will show you how you can watch videos in slow motion in YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. It encourages us to get more and more videos for YouTube viewers like you. Thank you. To reduce or increase the speed of a video we are watching on YouTube, we need to tap on the YouTube video. And next, we need to click this gear settings icon that's visible on the video. Next, in this menu list, we need to click this playback speed, which says normal by default, which means video running at the speed it was recorded. Here, if 1 is normal, less than 1 is slow motion, and more than 1 is to play the video faster. So, we can select less than 1, that above the normal tab, to play the video in slow motion like this. We can play the video faster by selecting the bottom speed limit of 1.25x or more here. 2 is twice the speed it was recorded. And we are done with this video process. Hope you enjoyed watching my tutorial. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the like button to get updates. Thank you.